What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back, man. Took a little break this weekend from filming and editing videos and whatnot, and we're back on a very rainy, gross, gloomy September day, which honestly I'm not mad about. I do love myself a good cozy rainy day where I can go home after work and hit the gym and go watch some Monday Night Football. I think I'm gonna make some quesadillas tonight. I've really been on a quesadilla kick lately. Just making a lot of quesadillas. So, easy, good protein, somewhat healthy. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna hit the gas station because I'm super low on gas. I guess with these cars, you're not, I was reading the owner's manual, and I guess you're not supposed to let the car drop below 30 miles distance, or how do I say this? See how it says like range 15 miles? So there's like a gas equivalent range, I guess, you know? And you don't want to drop below 30 miles, otherwise it says there could be like component failure and whatnot. I don't really know. Honestly, I haven't looked much into that because I never really let the car get below a 30-mile range left on the gas tank, so I'm not gonna risk it. Just gonna go get some gas here and then hit the gym. It's chest day today, so we'll have a good chest workout, little triceps, and then go home, eat some dinner, watch some football, hang out with my lady and my dog, have a good night, close out the Monday on a good note. With that being said, it is Monday. It is the start of the work week, so yeah, not much to say there. It is what it is, man. You got to start the work week at some point, and you got to start it whether you're feeling good or whether you're feeling bad. You got to start it, and you got to get back to the grind. So that's where we're at today. And overall, it was pretty good, I must say. I'm gonna have to slide over here. So okay, I cannot get in if this person is just fucking... I'm gonna loop around right here. But yeah, anyways, work was fun, so... Better to have a good day at work on a Monday than a bad day, obviously. So we'll take it. Wasn't the best day, but yeah. Anyways, let me fill up real quick. $72. That was great timing. Wow. $5.10 a gallon. $5.10 a gallon. That's, yeah. It is what it is. hole again. I don't know why, but my car's telling me I gotta calibrate my seat. I'm too lazy to get into like all that. There's like directions here on how to do that. I'm sure it's very easy, but yeah, just not gonna do that right now. So anyways, we're heading to the gym, like I said. Gonna get the most out of the day as always. And yeah, it's probably really slippery because we haven't had rain in a long time here. So we'll see how the roads feel. Probably should have gone the other way. That's okay, we'll take a detour. Yeah, so this weekend, like I said, I was out. Was not filming a whole lot this weekend. Didn't film at all, actually. And I had to work on Saturday, so I picked up a shift on Saturday. And then I went golfing on Sunday. And it was fun, man. Good weather, really sunny, pretty warm. Went with my dad and one of my really good friends, and then another one of our good friends that I haven't seen since like middle school. I mean, I've seen him, it's been like once every 5 years, one of those types of relationships, you know. So it was great to catch up with him. He's a really good guy, and it was fun to just get out there with my dad. My dad's 67 this year, and he is not the golfer he once was. It's just funny, man. It's like he was out there struggling, and we've all been there. If you golf, you know that he took a lot of snowmans. He took a lot of 8s. The back 9 was pretty rough for him, but anyways. Overall, really fun time. I didn't play too bad. I almost broke 90, but I had a couple holes where I blew up and just played terribly. Held myself to telling the truth on my score because that's the right thing to do. And it's the only way to tell if you're gonna get better is if you don't lie on your scorecard. So I shot a 96. Not a great golfer. I will be the first to admit that. So, but it was fun nonetheless. I had a great time. And yeah, it's what golf is all about. Just getting out there, enjoying it. Like I said, chest day today, chest and triceps. I took Saturday and Sunday off from the gym, so I should be really fresh, ready to go. And might ride the bike at the end for like 10 minutes or so, get some cardio in, and then I think I'll probably hit the sauna as well, because I did drink a few beers this weekend. So sweat out the toxins. But that's it, man. It should be a good workout. If this guy could, you know, park, that'd be great. But cool paint color on that 4Runner. I do like that. We'll pull up right here. So yeah, that's it for me, man. I appreciate you for tuning in to another video. I got something big coming up here in the next few days. I'm excited to make a video on and share with y'all on the success that we've had so far on this channel. Just, it's been a really fun time. Been a really fun time driving this car, filming POV footage, reading all the cool comments that you leave, and you know, communicating with you guys on your goals that you're working towards, motivating you to start a YouTube channel, investing, saving your money, chasing your dreams, driving fun cars, modifying your cars. Whatever it is that we've connected on, it's been fun. It's been a pleasure. It's been something I've always looked forward to doing. Being a creative. And yeah, I'm just really excited to keep going and see what the future has in store. So, I had a couple videos last month, or I should say this month because it's still September, but in the month of September that did really well. Got like 7K views, 8K views. That's a lot for me. And just, it's cool, man. It's cool that I can connect with a broader audience and hopefully provide not only entertainment but motivation so that you guys can one day get behind the wheel of an M4, you know. But I digress. I'm gonna go hit this chest workout and get this pump in. I hope you're living good out there, man. I hope you're having a good day and making the most out of it. If you're on the couch, if you're bed riding, whatever, get up, get out there and do something, man. Do something worth living for. And chase your dreams. And don't give up. Do not give up. Whatever you do, just keep going. Don't ever give up. That's my message to you today. So, until next time, drive safe, man. I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.